Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Welcome. Oops. Okay, it was kind of fast. 7:42. It's all right. What happened? Face. One. Okay, that's nice. I wonder. Hmm. typing. There was a tire types uses something. Typing this. It was like typing get maybe. We'll have a quick look into this. Typing get. That's the one which the purple one showed me. Yeah. Typing club. Rot type. Rot type. Typing site. Let's use. This doesn't look like it. Maybe I can move this over here. There we go. And this one is okay here, I guess. Maybe here. Typings, GG, and da 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 da. So this guy, 10 fast fingers, typings, GG. Typings, GG. Keeper. Please disable your ad blocker, blah blah blah. Yeah, this is probably not the site I'm looking for. No, it doesn't look like it. Typing GG, typing this. That's good. What is this? 5100. Okay, so those are the same. Oh, I think I like these typings. At least visually it looks nice. It's clean. So I will. Which one is it? This one. Typings. Save. Type in test. Take the words here. Observe same. that's red. Okay. Typing works. Typing works. Works. I don't go away. English sentence paragraph 4 always man of low morality. Kinda like how it looks. I'll save this too. Typing works. Bam. It looks like it doesn't save, but it's checked when... whatever. I'll stop the typing timer. And we will go to the other things. The things will be like some things over here. So I'll start review. So here we have an array. It's reloading. Okay, that's great. Okay, so now it's something different. Concurrency review. Array, push before, then promise, resolve, array push. So the constructors are evaluated concurrently. So it should be, I think, before constructed, that, and after, I think. So let's see. That is correct. Now we have an array. Then we push after 500, after 500, and after 500, 1, 2, 3. So we push and then we wait. Oh, this is so unreadable. So we have this and then we do array1 push and wait 500 milliseconds for it. And also, no, we do array push. And where is it ending? So this one goes here, right? So it will push one immediately, then creates the timeout, this one. Oh, come on. This looks like this. And in there it pushes 2 and 3. Well, either way it will be 1, 2, 3. But I wonder, like, this is the function. This is the second function. Okay, so you maybe can do many functions, and the last one will be... Oh no, this is the function here. This is the function which is passed in, and the function takes nothing, will push this, and then set a new timeout, and it will do that after 500 milliseconds. Okay, now I see it. And in here it's the same, basically, just you know, inside of each other. In both ways we will get 1 to 3. Now what? Const array. We have set timeout after 500 millisecond. We okay, so this is 1000 and it will be it worked. It worked. Array, timer, push, timer, clear out, timer, array. Okay, so the array will be empty because we cancelled. And the cancelling is we call this clear timeout function and we put in uh, the variable which is pointing to the set timeout function. Modify this code to ensure that after is only pushed into the array after then is pushed. So array push, so it will be, it should before then after. So we will say here the then, and this will be it. I like this guy, it takes no input parameters. And inside of there, I will move this in here. That should be it. That should be it, I think. Fulfilled undefined. Oh yeah, and we will have, which I forgot, we need to return this value, otherwise we will not get it anywhere. So right now it's have like we did not set what it will be returning, so it is undefined. So here we have to say return and array, and this should be it. Betty promise dot resolve, and we have a name Betty, city Nassau, and we have an object assign this and that. Okay, so I don't know what the object assign is. That was maybe a copying it or something. Maybe I should Google it. Assign. What does it do? Method copies all enumerable owned properties from one source objects to target object. Okay, so we have this guy, and this is a target, this is a source, and it copies, so it will do A, B, C. Okay, so object assign, target, source. Oh, the target is first. Interesting. So the target will be A1, then we override B and C, okay. And return target is the same. Oh, so it changes both. Changes what is put in here, and it returns it. Run. Run, boy, run. Interesting. Okay, so we know more. But here it will be empty for some reason because promise. Maybe it's not enumerable. That might be why. Um, const timer. So timeout, clear timeout 2, so the second one will not execute, so in the array will be timer 1, like so. Okay, now we have an array, and we push it before, then we have a promise, and this is a constructor, so this is evaluated sequentially, and we have a resolve. The resolve waits 1000 milliseconds, then we push constructed, but all of it's inside of the new promise constructor, which means this guy over here will wait for all of this. So we have before, then, and then after. So the array will be before constructed and then and after, like so. No, almost. You has all the correct, but they are in wrong order. Okay, so I am mistaken. Before constructed, then after. So all of it will, okay, so there's a set timeout, the resolve. It will wait, so maybe it will be before, after, then the 1 second passes, so it will be constructed and then. Maybe. After. No. Before. This one is first for sure. So it could be before constructed, after then. This is the correct thing. Okay, so the dot then is asynchronous. Every single case. Dot then is asynchronous. Ah. And this is always synchronous. So this one will be executed every single time. And dot then is always put on the heap. Is it called heap? I think, or stack. Execution stack is that? So promise resolve. Then throw new error user doesn't exist. Okay, so this will be just rejected error user does not exist like so. prevent it from... Okay, so this was stop timer? No, it was... Oh, maybe. Stop timer. Timer. Was it this? Stop timer is not defined. Cancel, terminate. Clear timeout. Okay. Oh, I did not knew this, so I will not cheat. I will give up. It was clear timeout, and the correct answer was T. Clear timeout. Okay. Add another dot then call to wrap the promise string value in array. Sure. So we will say dot then, and we take n and return the n in the array. Go. Promise resolved, so this will be 6, and this will be fulfilled 6. Promise. Here we have a new build a new promise with the new promise putting the value it worked inside of it. Okay, so so this is the resolve function, and we will just call it with it worked like so. Not the semicolon. That works. Promise resolve. So this will be fulfilled undefined like so. Then we have promise resolve reject. Reject. So this will be rejected. And here we will say error no slash user array push before, then we have a promise resolve some value, then array dot push, then something, then return array, and then we have a push after. So I think this, all of it is asynchronous. So it will be before, after, and then we have some value, then, and so on. So let's see. So it will be filled, and the array will be before, after, some value, and then 1, then 2, close the array, and close the promise, and see how it fails. So it's not like this, it is a different way. Oh fuck, the sum value is not there at all. My mistake. Because we are pushing to the array before, then, and after only. So it will be before, this is asynchronous, after, then the synchronous thing, then. So maybe this would be the thing, and it is. So my mistake was to include this, just taking all the strings without looking that if I'm actually pushing them or not. Okay. Promise, resolve, then do nothing. So it will be fulfilled and undefined like this. And this also show us that I don't have to pass in the lambda function. I can pass in function like this as well. Okay. Array promise resolve, it worked, then message, and we push it to it, and then look at the array. But we are not waiting in here, as it says, this is like immediately what it will be when it goes in here, not what it will be in array after 300 milliseconds. So in this case, the array will be empty. Yeah. So that's cool. I have finished all the reviews in here. I can go to SQL. To reload for some reason. I did not reload that page. Injection attack, oh yeah. Okay, so here we have something. All of it is this guy. So it will be a string. So I have to do that. Now I want to close this guy over here. So I will say this. I just close that. And then I will end this command by this, and now I will put behind that my own, which is I want to set the admin to 1. So I will say update. Now I say the name of the table, which is users, and we will be setting the admin to the value of 1. How do I write it? Do I say value or just admin equals admin value equals 1, maybe? 1, and then there will be where clause, where, and here I will say email. I will put it on the next line, I think. Where email equals, oh crap, it doesn't get, so I'll use this so I don't have to, if I use these backticks, I can just write multiple lines, so it's okay. If I have the double quotes, I will have to do the plus sign on the end of the line. Where email is this guy over here. And I will put it inside of some quotes. So let's say this guy. And I will comment out the rest of the line so we don't have a syntax error. I'm not sure about this part, so we will see. Oh wow, it was it. So it was update, then the table name set, and I can say directly like the field equals to something. I don't have to say values. So cool. So here we have what? Right, select from join on, query to get list all of the cats and people. Okay. So you want, okay, so select, and we will say people dot name as person, cats dot name as cat, from people. I'll write it here. Join cats on people.id equals to cats owner dot id, and here is dot. I'm missing dot in here. Owner id, and I'll say that should be it. I think. Say select from join on. Select from join on. Yeah, I have it. Cool. Alright, join query to find all cats that are owned by a person with a name of a mirror. Alright, so this will be select, and here we will say cats dot name as cat, people dot name as person, from people join cat, join cats on person people.id equals to cats dot owner id, where people name equals mere error near people. People Okay, so I'll try to delete this and see that error near people, so I still have a problem somewhere. Oh yeah, here. Oh fuck. Okay, so this will be where people.name equals mere. Go. Okay. And we are done with it. Cool. This guy over here says that we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect, and I'll see you next time. Bye.